Chocolate mousse is everybody's favorite, and we're going to do an orange flavored one. Just gently peel the zest off the oranges, snip them into fine little slices. The orange can be squeezed. Put a little bit of water in a shallow saucepan, add some sugar, bring it to the boil. Just make sure that sugar is dissolved before you add the orange strips. The smell that comes off that orange is delicious. So boil it quite fast at high heat to caramelize the peel. Add the orange juice plus water to make 1 1/4 cups. Add the dry mix from the chocolate mousse. Oh, it looks and smells beautiful. Just beat it vigorously, and you can see we always beat on a folded up cloth. Then you can more easily manipulate. The same beaters, beat the cream. Now you know the rules for beating cream. Never overbeat or you'll end up with butter. Just beat it gently. What we're aiming at is for the cream to be the same consistency as the mousse before you marry the two. Add the cream. A scraper is the best tool for that. Fold it in, gentle folding motion. Use a soup ladle, easiest thing to spoon the mousse into the serving dishes. Add the caramelized orange. Wow, delicious.